And here we see the final product of the bleached skull. All the flesh is removed, and you'll see even the teeth come loose. And you've got to clean out the sockets to make sure there's no flesh in there. And then it's a case of repairing the skull, sanding it down, and then carving and decorating it. And this, up until this point, is, you know, you can either forego all of this effort and buy it already done from the taxidermists, or you can go through the process of cleaning the skull yourself. And it's a much more satisfying way of doing it, because you get to sort of connect with the animal, and you become more intimate with the skull, as it were, in terms of its shape and its imperfections, and where it needs a bit of touching up. This was a ethically sourced skull, which means it was found, the animal had died, and so it means that the skull is going to need a lot of love and attention in terms of repair work, in order to make it something that is more commercially acceptable and in demand with people who are looking to decorate their homes with a beautiful piece of skull art.